Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Leatherman Free T4. And this is the larger of the two sort of Swiss Army knife, pocket knife type tools that Leatherman came out with recently. And I'm still moderately irritated that they trademarked the word free. But aside from that, I don't know. This has a couple of things going for it, or that's supposed to be going for it. One is everything's supposed to lock, and easy access tools is also made in the US. And it's got magnets. Alright. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it and see what it is. So I looked at the T2 before, and I'm kind of curious what the difference is between this and the T4. Or between that and the T4 is. One is it comes out much easier. Alright. So let's see. Well, obviously, first of all, it's got a belt clip. The T2 did not have a belt clip. This one has the same one-hand opening thing. It's a little bit wider. One hand closing. So this one, you get a nail file or a file. I don't know. That feels a little more like it filed down a little more than just nails. Get that. You get a flathead screwdriver and kind of with a sort of a wedge point, so you can maybe have like a mini pry bar. And these all lock in place. You get tweezers. A pair of tweezers. That's kind of interesting. Not exactly a scale tool, but it's, you know, something to put in there. And you get scissors. I'm pretty sure those are scissors. I don't know how to get to them. How does one get the scissors out? It's supposed to be one hand opening for everything. Okay. So, you get scissors. Well, this has the scissors are similar to the Winger Swiss Army knife scissors. It doesn't use the spring like the Victorinox. I think them okay, and they lock. So you get two locks, one on each side. You got a big old screwdriver right here with the bottle opener. And again, since they're obviously attempting to replace Swiss Army knives, I will forgive them for having a bottle opener, because everyone knows that the only acceptable thing to have a bottle opener on is your Swiss Army knife or pocket knife. And the last tool is an awl. Again, not the tool I would pick. Also, the awl seems a little bit sharp. It's got a teeny bit of an edge to it. Can y'all see that edge? There's a little bit of an edge to it. I don't know. Well, the belt clip's kind of neat, or the pocket clip. They give you tweezers, which is definitely a start toward replacing a Swiss Army knife. The blade is kind of one-hand workable. The other tools, the problem with the other tools is I don't see how you don't just get all the tools when you try to get them one-handed. Because like when I flip them open, you see I get all the tools, and I can kind of maybe get one tool. But again, I'm having to hold it with both hands to use my thumbnail on the little nub. So, I don't know. This is definitely more Swiss Army knife-esque than the T2 is. It's got noticeably more tools. I was actually not expecting quite as many different tools for the going from the T2 to the T4. This is about $60. I'll include a link in the description for this on Amazon if you want to check it out. I don't know. I think if you're a hardcore Leatherman fan, you probably need one of these. Just like either the T2 or the T4. I think if I was going to buy one, I'd buy the T4 just because it has more bells and whistles. And I don't know. It's got the pocket clip, and it looks like you can remove the pocket clip. You just unscrew those little bolts in there. They don't seem to be attached to anything else, so that's good. One thing I'm not seeing though is left-handed operation. Maybe you can do it left-handed. I'm at a disadvantage doing it left-handed anyway because it's not my dominant hand. But problem is, like, the positioning of the belt clip and all makes it not left-handed. I mean, like, maybe you could flick it open this way. Like, use your middle finger to get it open. Like that. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting thing. Not going to replace my Swiss Army knife, but the T4 is definitely closer than the T2 is. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do y'all like these? Do you not like them? You think they're awful? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.